Hi, it's Susan Levin here at Speaker Services. So my phone rings the other day and the person says, I'm a speaker, but I want to ask you a question. Before I get listed in Speaker Services or I begin to use any of your marketing services, I want to know what's the hottest topic that's out there. Who are getting the most speaking engagements? What topics are they speaking on? And I say, what are you passionate about? And the person says, I don't know, don't think I'm an expert on anything, but I want to make money. I want to profit from speaking. I see other people doing it. And I say, you got to be passionate about what you're speaking about, otherwise you're not believable. People buy services from people that they know and they like. When you catch on fire, then they catch on fire, and they're big fires that never go out. Look, you can buy a system with a pre-recorded or a template for a talk, but that's not who you are. You need to put yourself into it. You need to put your stories into it. You need to involve the audience, which you've heard me mention many times. And there's lots of ways to mine that information. And that's what we can help you with at Speaker Services.